Welcome to your Unleashed dashboard, which gives you an overview of what's happening with your business at a glance. The Business Intelligence Dashboard provides valuable insights into your business performance across your sales, customers, inventory, and all areas of your business. To take a deeper look at any of these metrics, click on the Explore button at the bottom of any of your KPI tiles to give you various insights relating to that specific measure. The Transactions grid highlights the tasks that may need attention, such as open assemblies and low stock alerts. The Batch Expiry alerts you to any expired and soon-to-be expired batches. These can be really useful to see what needs actioning at a glance. The Transactions list and expiry alerts are the same in the classic dashboard. You have the option to look across different time periods at the top here. This allows you to quickly track your progress compared to last month, quarter, or year. The side menu allows you to navigate to the different areas of Unleashed. You can click this button here to collapse the menu so you have more space on your screen. If you have more than one account with Unleashed, you can easily switch between them by selecting the account you want to use in the drop-down. You can also switch between your Sandbox and your Live account here. We'll now look at the 9-dot menu, which houses your shortcuts. These were designed to save you time, taking you to your most used features. And because every business is different, you can customize the shortcut buttons that you wish to see. To do this, click on Customize Shortcuts and drag and drop to remove or add items. Remember to click Save when you're done. If you need extra help with any page, click the Help button here. This will bring up multiple support options. You can search for a specific term by typing in the box, or click Get Help for this page, which will navigate to the help file for the particular page you are on. Keep up to date with our changes by clicking on the change log, and if you want to contact our support team and raise a case, click on Submit a Request. To access short, sharp training videos about Unleashed, click on Unleashed Academy. The search bar in the top right corner allows you to search for all your transactions, products, suppliers, and more. For example, you can search for a specific sales order number, saving valuable time. The taskbar is where you will find your recent actions, and the notifications bell is where you will find important Unleashed updates. Your account dropdown allows you to view the number of accounts available to you, the relationship of those accounts, and the subscription plan details. Additionally, you can change your password and log out. You can also access the Unleashed University from here if you have our standard customer success plan. And there you have it, your Unleashed dashboard.